What's up guys, this is Grant, the founder of cartfab.com, and we're taking my nephew's mini bike that has no front suspension and we are putting suspension on it. So let's go check it out. I have a link in the description for this universal mini bike front suspension or front forks, but if you want to save some money, I also have links in the description to build your own using axle lock collars as well as a 49cc pit bike front suspension. So this is the least expensive way to do it right here. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take these lock collars and we are going to put them here and here, right? We're going to weld half of the locking collar on here, half of the locking collar on here, and that will clamp onto these two spots here. And the shock here isn't like a normal dirt bike shock, it's just a spring inside of the tube, so there's no hydraulics in it or anything, it's not fancy. I'll put a link in the description for that, and if you can see here that it is a little bit longer. We do want it a little bit longer because the ride height is going to actually compress this a little bit more. So we have right about the size that we need for the shock, and let's go from there. So the measurement between these two spots is 146.41 millimeters. So we're just going to keep that in mind so we can keep this spacing not too far in and not too far out. But the good thing is since we're using locking collars, we can adjust that if needed. This next part involves a little bit of fabrication skills and hot work. What I'm going to do here is actually chop, 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 chop. So we'll just be left with these two pieces. Then I'm going to grind this extra weld bead off of here that they MIG welded around here. And we're going to make it flat so this will fit flush right under this side, and this other one will fit flush right under this side here. If you look here at the triple tree that we cut apart, the old forks had a small inner diameter. These ones are about 1 inch, so we need to actually drill those out so the new forks can slip right inside the existing mount holes. Nothing's welded into place yet, but this is kind of our jig that we've got. As you can see, it kind of moves, and we're gonna do some fine tuning here, but basically we want to have the distance between here and here at the bottom be the same as the distance between here and here. However, it could be skewed like that, so they're both a little bit off, so we're going to make sure that it is square here, and then the distance here and here is the same as the distance here and here. After some fine tuning and adjustment to get everything perfectly square, I went ahead and tack welded it, and now we're going to do the final weld. Next, I'm centering the rim on the front axle and making sure we're going to have the right amount of distance with our spacers, and it turns out we have to cut a little bit off. So we got the spacers in. It's a nice match there. It's good. Working in the garage with bare feet. Who are you, dude? Who are you?
Tarzan. Now I want to go put shoes on because I'm self-conscious.
Finally, got some shoes on. Try the shocks out. Make them work. Oh my gosh. I didn't say be a spaz. I said just try the shocks out. Yeah, you're gonna break something. Calm the heck down, dude. I said not be a spaz. Just try out the shocks. Do that same thing again, but without spazzing out. So we got shocks working. Too bad it's raining outside, so we can't go riding right now. So test out the suspension real quick. Alright, okay, let's go test it out for real now. Gotta get some footage of the mini bike before he totally destroys it. You know what would help? You know what would help?
What?
If you put the kill switch to run.
That is run.
No, it's not.
What the heck?
Oh, that's amazing. You're gonna wreck it, dude. You're gonna wreck it. There goes the muffler! So what do you think of this mini bike, Colin?
Well, the shocks are better.
That's it? They're just better? So was it worth it for the shocks?
Yes.
Alright, so there you have it. Thanks guys for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you like. Let us know in the comments below what are the modifications you'd like to see, and we'll catch you in the next one.